So we put in our rosemary, mint, and onion. Green onion. Yung fish guys, nilagyan na natin siya ng konting asin lang sa ilalim. Yung nilagyan din natin siya ng, I added salt, onion and garlic inside. Then we will put onion in here too, and some garlic. Tapos lagyan natin siya ng konting asin. Anyway, hinuhugasan ko siya nirab ko siya ng salt guys, yung paghugas ko sa kanya. So now guys, we are going to put to our dito. Yan lang ang ating gagawin guys. Then we will add coconut milk later, okay? Yun lang ang ating 650, ito guys, 650 grams kasi yung nasa packet is 600 to 800 grams siya. So, I believe it is just around 650 to 700 lang siya. Okay, lagyan natin siya ng konting black pepper guys. So, in this process guys, i-flip over natin siya para yung tubig ng fish ma-evaporate lahat. So, before natin ilagay ang ating coconut milk para masarap. Okay? Takpan ko siya. There is no oil in our cooking or frying pan. So, takpan natin siya guys para yung... It's about time guys to add our coconut milk. Coconut milk. Lagyan natin siya guys ng lemon juice. We will add lemon juice, okay? Lemon juice guys, direct squeeze lang natin siya guys ha. Squeeze lang natin siya. So this is fish tilapia. So ginataang fish tilapia, okay? So we will add garlic powder. Lagyan natin ng garlic powder since naglagay na tayo ng black pepper. Lagyan natin ng garlic powder. And we will add ginger powder. So, kung wala kayong fresh na ginger, so powder ginger is alright. Okay? So, then it's about time to add teriyaki sauce. Lagyan natin ng teriyaki sauce. 1 tablespoon lang. 1 tablespoon. So then, we are going to mix our teriyaki sauce. Nalagyan natin guys ng konting asin. So, hindi na lang natin siya ano pa ng maraming asin. Iwas tayo sa maraming asin guys. Hindi mabuti sa ating katawan yung sobrang asin. So, yun. So, i-cover up ko lang siya guys at i-simmer ko siya sa napakahinang apoy. Kasi, hindi ko na siya i-flip over. Baka madurog or masira. So, yun lang guys. Simmer and cover. Okay? So, hinaan ko yung apoy. Simmer natin guys ng 10 to 15 minutes lang. So, nilagyan lang natin ito na guys ng mga 1 teaspoon ng salt. So, yun na yung ating fish. So, sisimmer pa lang natin, isisimmer pa natin guys ng additional few minutes para lutong-luto yung middle kasi malaki ito kasi. Okay? Tikman. Wow. Medyo maasim. Masarap. Lagyan ko siya ng konting rose sugar. So this is how I cut my pineapple, guys. I slices. So this one, I will save this one to plant. I will. Wow.
Good one. Where did that come from?
In Loreton. We bought this one, guys, in Loreton, New South Wales. Wow. Ripe na siya, but anyway. Wow. We will just take those overripe na, guys. Okay. And this one too. So, kung hindi ko pa siya i-open, maano na siya, overripe na siya. So, yes. So, ito lang yung, this is my easiest way to cut pineapple. Then we will use a slicer. So in this way, guys, hindi na kayo magkuha-kuha ng mga mata. Yung eyes na. So this is how I slice my pineapple. So guys, this is now our final product, our tilapia fish in coconut milk with teriyaki sauce. Ito yun siya, yun ang ating fish. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. So yun ang ating tilapia fish. Have our pineapple. Ina-slice natin yan ngayon, guys. And this is our Coke Zero and our basmati rice. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, this home, please consider subscribe. So hit na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. And please don't forget also to like if you like lang naman, okay? And your comment is very important to my channel to help me grow. So you can comment, and thank you for watching. You are welcome to have your opinion to my cooking. So as I will try my best to upload recipes every time, okay? See you on my next one, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo at meron na naman kayong natutunan sa aking pagluluto ng tilapia fish in coconut milk with teriyaki sauce. So thank you for watching, everybody. Yeah, let's eat.